are you doing? I hope you're having a great day and a great weekend. I'm really excited because we have a brand new subscription open today. It is the Joah box, and this is a Korean beauty box. So I've actually been trying to get this for months now. So they originally tried to send it to my house, but I guess there was some issues. So this actually comes from Korea. So I think it was like in May, I was trying to get this, but I got sent back. I'm not really sure exactly what the issue was. Maybe it's something just customs, or since it's, I don't know, from Korea, I don't really know if that's like a different process. Well, it is a different process, but I'm not sure exactly what happens with that. But I finally did just get it. I actually got it delivered to my P.O. box, so I guess it worked that way. It's actually the only thing I've ever gotten in my P.O. box. I never really like advertise that I have one because I don't want people to feel like forced to send me anything or anything like that, but I do have one. And yeah, it was really exciting to see something in there. So I've seen like Abadabs, and I think Just Ann opened this as well, and I remember thinking it looked really great. So I'm super excited to see what's inside. I like Korean beauty, so yeah, let's learn a little bit more about it. So I pulled up their website. Like with any new subscription on our channel, I pull up the website to learn a little bit more, get some pricing information because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. So Joah box. On their website it says, your Korean beauty box, elevate or recreate your Korean beauty routine. Enjoy your Korean beauty. Every month you'll receive 5 to 7 full-size products. You get $60 to $100 of the best Korean skincare, makeup, and beauty tools. Alright, so I believe I have the July box, but if you subscribe right now, you will get the August box, and it says monthly is $35.95. There is worldwide shipping, no hidden fees, and you can cancel anytime. And if you get like a 3-month plan, you save a little bit of money. And it says subscribe before the 5th of the month to receive this month's box. Boxes are shipped starting the 10th of the month. So yeah, so that is the price. So I'll leave the link and the price down below. And if you are interested, you've got a little bit of time. Just make sure you subscribe to before August 5th if you want to get August box. But yeah, let's get into what is inside. So again, here is what the box looks like. It came inside like a mailer bag, so it's not taped up or anything. And when I open it up, here is what it looks like. So there's like a little card and all the stuff is underneath it. So I'll take the card out, and then that is what it looks like. So it says Joah box July travel kit. Oh, hold on, I just dropped something. Oh, so I saw this in Abby's video. So they give like cards, and I guess you're supposed to collect a whole deck of cards, but aren't there like 52 cards in a deck or something? So this is the 7 of diamonds, right? But it's black. So I guess you collect these, so I guess I'll do that. And let's see what is inside. Okay, so inside it just gives information on all of the products. So there isn't like a whole paragraph explaining what the box is all about, but I guess just from the title of it, we can tell that travel kit is the theme. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see in here, and this is the Kolisha Chic Lock Eyeliner. And this is an 01 black. I don't know if I'm gonna open it or not right now, because if it's like a felt tip, I don't want to like start the shelf life, but let's read about it first. So this has a retail value of $14, and it says, what would be a travel kit without good waterproof makeup? This eyeliner is the one you need to use during the summer. You can easily create a slim look without fearing it will go away because of sweat or water. It will stay from morning until late at night without smudging, and it's really easy to apply. So how to use: apply it smoothly as you're drawing a line according to your eye line. Okay, so it does look like it is a felt tip. So I'm not going to open it right now just because I have so many eyeliners. I am going to wait to use this, but that's cool. I know a lot of people use eyeliner all the time. And it sounds like it is one you can like shake up. All right. Oh, cool. I'm so happy I'm getting a toner. So this is the Estero Classic Real Tonic Soothing First Toner. So I think I recently said how I'm like stocked up on all skincare except toners, and now I'm getting a toner, so that's exciting. I recently did just purchase one, but that's okay. I can have a backup. Let's learn more about this. So this is $12. It says the Real Tonic Soothing First Toner from Estero Classic is formulated with 12 hand bang herbal extractions. Even the most sensitive skin can use it use it as it's low irritant and skin friendly. It will hydrate and revitalize your skin. It's composed with tannins extracted from pomegranate along with skin calming honeysuckle. Toner is usually in a bigger bottle. We tried to find one more travel friendly. This is still pretty big, like this will last a while because you only need a little bit. Should I do like the head test so it's not like my whole head, but it's like half of it? Like seriously, like this is a good size, so I guess this is like considered a travel size, but it's still a lot of liquid. It's 80 mLs, okay. At first I was like, I can't read anything on the back, but the numbers are the same. So 80 mLs, so yeah, that's not bad. So it says apply this toner as a first step after cleansing to soothe, balance, and even out your skin tone. Put it directly on your face and tap gently in your skin to soak it in. And it looks like for more information on how to use toner, you can go to their K Beauty blog, which is at joahbox.com/blog. So that's nice they have a blog. I'll have to check that out. I love stuff like that, learning more about the products you get in the box. That's awesome. I think that's a huge plus for this box. But let's move on to the next item. This is by Glow Hill. It says more moist, more glow, total solution glow ampule pad. Look at this like reflective. That considered hollow? I don't know. So let's see what is in here. It's taped up. So even the back is like that. So inside, this is what I see. It's like little individual packets. It says total solution for anti-aging, new concept facial ampule pad. Use instead of towel after washing your face. One sheet has the equivalent of one moisturizing ampule. Natural hydrophilic vegetable oil provides a moist, radiant glow to skin. Minimal skincare for light pouch. Too many things on your dressing table and you don't know what to apply. A pouch type ampule pad that makes minimal skincare routine for the YOLO tribe who travel frequently. So after washing, apply the pad for a smooth, clean complexion. As soon as you wash your face, apply a pad instead of wiping with a towel to finish. Oh, that's different. So you wash your face and you grab this towel and does it dry it too? So it's apply the pad to absorb it as if wiping off after washing your face. After the face, use on dry areas such as the neck, elbow, or heel. So here's like the little piece of paper I'm reading from. And so this is interesting. So how many do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's like a week supply in here. I've never tried anything like this, and I really do appreciate and like love getting unique items in my subscription boxes because I get so many. I have a lot of things, so when I get something like brand new to me, I'm super pumped. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this tonight. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So yeah, instead of using a towel, using this and their skincare benefits. Cool. So let's read what it says in here. So this is $10, and I think we pretty much learned a lot about it from the packaging. It says it will deliver a silky feel and moisturize as if you had 1 dose of ampule. I don't really know what that means, but so it's supposed to brighten, clear, and moisturize your face. So awesome. I'm excited to try it out. All right, next up is by Love Bod. This is Wonderful Body Firming and Lifting Body Stick. Your body is full of wonderful things. Body stick. Okay, so it looks kind of like a deodorant, but this is firming and lifting. Let's see what it looks like. It has like a scent, but it just smells like kind of like skincare in a way, like, yeah. So looks like that, and you just can use this. It's like deodorant to raise it and lower it. So let's see, what is this supposed to do? I mean, I'm guessing it firms and lifts, but like, do you like on your booty and stuff? Like, wow. So this is $15. Love Bod is a new Korean brand specialized in body skincare. Their motto is love your body, love yourself, as they trust that our bodies are beautiful no matter shape and size. The wonderful stick helps firming, lifting, and promotes supple skin while making skin firm and plump. It's composed of more than 97% of safe vegan natural ingredients like sunflower seed oil, shea butter, and sweet almond oil. You can apply it directly all over your body, but mainly in dry areas like knees and elbows. If you are one of those people that has irritation problems in between your thighs during the summer, we recommend applying the stick in this area before going out. Okay, I don't get how that's like firming and lifting, but I get the point of like it being moisturizing and kind of creating a barrier for that. Like, so Yeah, so this is another like unique item that I don't have anything like. So that's a plus. I like getting stuff like this. So this is pretty much like an anti-chafing stick for me. And I think we have one more thing. And this is, I'm sorry for my skin, 8-step travel jelly mask. So this is what it looks like on the outside, and on here you can see, so it's like an 8-step program all in one. This is perfect for travel. So this definitely goes well with their theme. So there's a cleansing oil, cleansing foam, body wash, a 2-in-1 shampoo, toner, jelly mask, emulsion, and cream. So let's read more about this. This is $5. That's a good price for all of this. Planning on spending one night in paradise? Bring this kit with you. You can complete an 8-step skincare routine to keep your skin perfect easily. Remove makeup and makeup base gently. Oh, and it tells you what all of them do. So they all, I think, have a pretty self-explanatory name. Like emulsion's a light and fresh moisturizing lotion. That's the only one I wasn't positive about. So this is, I think, a really neat thing, and I think that would be really nice to have if you're like traveling for the weekend or something like that, because it seems like it's just like a one-night thing. So, but I bet you can like go and buy a pack of these, $5 each. That's pretty cool, and it folds up, so it's like convenient to travel with as well. So I think this is a good box. So here we have the 8-step system. We have the eyeliner, which I honestly might throw in my 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not positive yet, just because still waiting on some stuff for that giveaway, which by the way, we recently hit 6K, so stay tuned for a big giveaway. And I just have so many eyeliners, so yeah, that might be going to one of you guys. But everything else, I'm super excited. So these like glow ampule pads / like after washing towels, a toner, and I was just saying how I want more toners. And then we have something unique, which I've never gotten before, like an anti-chafing thing, firming and lifting body stick. Yes, is that everything? I think so. So that was cool. So let me add up the total of the box, and yeah. All right, so I have a total of $56. They claim you get $60 to $100, so it's a little bit less than that. But I'm fine with this. I'm happy with everything in the box. So you pay like $35 or $35.95, and then you get $56 worth of Korean beauty. So yeah, I am happy with this box. I love that there's products I've never tried. I think it really fit well with their theme, especially this like travel set. Like I'm definitely keeping this around until I travel, because I will definitely use that. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys think this box is good? Do you guys get this box? I love to hear your comments, so definitely chat me up below. Chat me up, I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I will see you in my next video. Bye!